So in the series of learning Python programming language, in this video we are going to implement our first project. What is that project? We are going to implement a game, rock, paper, scissors. I hope you are aware about this game, the rules and all, right? If you don't know the rules, then you can, and if you don't know what is this game, how to play this game, you can go to their official website and you can check out the rules, right? So now first of all, I'll be telling you the rules, the logic, some hints, how we are going to implement this project, right? What is the problem statement, actual problem statement, what I want, right? Then you have to implement it, and after that we'll discuss. I'll show you this thing on my laptop, right? We'll be implementing this game, right? Now the rules are, see, rock, see, like this we know that this is what, this thing, it's a rock. This, if the hand is like this, then it's paper, and if this is the case, then this is scissors, right? So rock wins against scissors, scissors win against paper, and paper wins against rock, right? So suppose me and my friend are playing this game. So if I chose like rock, right, and my friend chose paper, right, means paper wins against rock, paper wins against rock, means I am going to lose now, right? So these are few games. Now you are going to play this with computer, right? One thing, first of all, let's suppose 0 for rock, 0 for rock, 1 for paper and 2 for scissor. So first of all, what user will enter your choice, will ask like enter your choice, type 0 for rock, 1 for paper and 2 for scissor, right? Second thing, computer will generate a random number, computer will choose from rock, paper, scissor, means we can use a random function, generate a random number between 0 to 2, 0, 1, 2, like 0 to 2, the range is 0 to 2. Computer will generate a number and then we will check. We have chosen a number, computer have chosen a number, then we will compare those numbers, we will check those numbers, and we are going to tell who is going to win and who will lose, right? Now situation can be like this. If 9 cases can be there, total 9 cases, this is what user's choice, and second is computer's choice, right? So if user enters 0, 0, 0, user can choose from 0, 1 and 2, and computer can also choose from 0, 1 and 2. So suppose user has entered 0, then computer can generate a random number, either 0, 1 or 2. So 3 cases can be there. With 0, 3 cases. Then 1, 1, 1. Again computer can generate either 0, 1 and 2. Suppose user's choice is 2, 2, 2. Again computer can generate either 0, 1 and 2. Total 9 cases can be there. That's it, right? So now you have to check these 9 cases only, and based on that you have to put some condition, if else, if statement, right? Now see these cases, first this, then this, and then this. If the computer and user choice is same, then we simply say it's a draw, right? One condition is this, fine. Next condition can be there. See, in this case, if user choice is 0 and computer choice is 1, 0 means rock and 1 means paper, means paper is going to win against rock. So in this case, computer wins. 0 and 2, if user choice is 0 and computer choice is 2, in this case 0 means rock, 2 means scissor, but rock will crash scissor, so rock is going to win against scissor. So in this case user wins. If user choice is 1, computer choice is 0, in this case 1 means paper, 0 means rock, so here also user will win, right? In this case 1, user choice is 1 means paper, and 2 means scissor, so scissor will win because scissor will cut the paper. So in this case computer will win. But if user choice is 2 and computer choice is 0, 0 means rock and this is scissor, in this case computer wins, right? Because rock wins against scissor. 2-1, 2 means scissor and 1 means what? Paper. So here also 2 wins, like scissor will win. So user choice is this, so user will win. So now I guess based on these rules you can find out who will win. Now you can put this in the form of if else, right? See, if this computer choice is 1, in this case computer will win, and in this case also computer will win, means 1 is greater than 0 and computer choice is 2 and this is user choice is 1 and 2 is greater than 1. So means computer, the number which computer has generated is greater than the user choice, means computer choice is greater than user choice, right? So in both the cases computer will win. So we can put something like this, like if this computer choice greater than user choice, one condition can be there. In this case computer win, or rather than computer win we can say you will lose or user will lose, that is better. So we will say you lose, right? So these cases we have covered, these two cases. But now see, user choice is 1, computer choice is 0. User choice is 2, computer choice is 1, means here user choice is greater than computer choice. In this both the cases, this and this, user will win. So second condition can be there, if like user choice is greater than computer choice, then means these two cases, this and this, user will win, means you will win. So we can say like you win. So this also we have covered, this and this, and draw also we have covered. If computer choice equal to user choice, it's a draw, right? Now remaining are these two, one is this one and one is this one. So this also you can put, like we are not finding any, like the number which is greater or less. So simply two condition you can put, if user choice is 0, computer choice is 2, user win or you win. If user choice is 2, computer choice is 0, you lose, means computer wins, means you lose, right? So these two condition plus these two condition, 4 condition, right? Plus fifth is what? For draw, 5, right? Plus if accidentally by mistake user has entered less than 0, like -1, or greater than 2, like 3, 4, 5, in that case what will happen? You will say you have entered a wrong number, you lose, right? So total how many condition you have to put? 6. 2, 1 for draw, 3, 2 these, 5 and 1 invalid number, I think 6. These 6 if and elif statement you have to put, right? That's it. But here the order in which you are putting these conditions, that also matters, right? Maybe you think first you can put these two condition, then these two condition, and like then draw condition. Yeah, you can put. So try this out, but this is very important. The order also important here, in which order you are putting these conditions, and I'll explain, I'll tell you why the order important once we'll be implementing this thing on laptop. But I hope the condition, the rules, how you can implement this is clear to you guys, right? Now I guess you can stop this video and you can try this out. So I hope you have done this, you have tried this out. Now let's create a new file and rock paper scissors underscore project1.py, right? Okay, now we'll ask from the user. First thing, the choice. I'm taking a variable user choice, right? And using input function we'll ask, enter your choice, right? Okay, now type. We have told the user like 0 for rock, 1 for paper and 2 for scissors. And we know this input would be in the form of strings, so better to convert at this time only this thing into int, because whatever we'll take using input function, that would be string, but we want integer, either 0, 1 or 2, right? Now next thing, just what we can do, computer choice. Now using random function, what we can generate? So for that we have to first of all import random modules. We'll do that thing. Random dot, we'll use a function rand int, and the range is from 0 to 2. This thing we have discussed already, right? How to generate random numbers. So first we have to import random module, right? Import random. Okay. Now if you want, you can print like computer, what computer has. Computer chose, and we can simply print like this computer choice, this variable, right? What computer has chosen, 0, 1 or 2. Now we can put some condition, like first let's put that condition, draw condition. If this computer choice equal to user choice, what we can do, you don't need to put these brackets here. If you want to put, you can put, that's okay, but in Python you can skip these brackets, directly put the condition. If this is the case, then simply we can print it's a draw. But if this is not the case, then we can put elif another condition. So two conditions we have discussed, like computer choice is greater than user choice, means you are going to lose, computer will win. So let us suppose put those conditions first. If this computer choice is greater than user choice, means we simply print, in that case you lose, means computer will win and you are going to lose, right? Now okay, next is else if this user choice is greater than computer choice. In that case you win, right? These cases we have discussed. Okay, these two conditions we have put. Now 3 we have put for draw and for greater than choices. Now we are remaining with two conditions for 0 and 2, right? So next is else if, like computer choice is equal to 0 and simply you can put this operator logical and user choice equal to 2. In that case, who are going to win? 0 means rock, 2 means scissor. Rock wins against scissor. So means computer is going to win, means you are going to lose. So simply print you lose, right? Else if user choice is 0 and computer choice is 2. In this case 0 means rock and 2 means scissor, so means rock wins against scissor, means user is going to win, so means you win. So here you win. Okay, I guess we have put all the 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 conditions, right? One is that for invalid number, that also we'll be discussing. Now let's run this and check if it is working or not. Okay, let's run this. So it is asking enter your choice. Let me enter 0. I have entered 0 and computer chose 1, means 0 means rock and 1 means paper. So obviously you lose because paper wins against rock. Okay, it's working fine. Let's check for another thing. If I am choosing 0 and again computer chose 1, so you lose, fine. If I am choosing again 0, now see, I have chosen 0. 0 means rock and computer chose 2. 2 means scissor. So who is going to win? Rock wins against scissor, right? But means 0 means rock. Rock means I have chosen rock. So means user should win. So it should give the output you win, right? Because see, user choice is 0 and computer choice is 2, means it should give output you win, but it is telling you you lose, means there is something wrong in this code. Why so it is? See, first it will check this condition, this is not true, then it will check this condition, the control will move one by one, right? Computer choice is 2, see this is, the number is 2, 2 here, let me just, 2 and greater than user choice is 0, 0. Is this condition true? 2 greater than 0? Yes, condition true. That is why it will enter into this control statement and it will print you lose. But I don't want that it should enter here. I want this condition should be checked, 0 and 2. Means you have to put this condition before this greater than condition. That is what I was telling you. The order also matters, in which order you are putting these conditions, right? So better to put these two conditions, these 0 and 2 conditions, before these two conditions, these greater than conditions, then it will work fine. Otherwise, it will give you wrong output. Let me just run this for one more input. Suppose I am giving 2 and computer is choosing 1. Okay, that is fine. 2 means scissor, 1 means paper, so you win. Okay, fine. Let me show again. 2 and 2. See, 2 and 2, it's a draw. That is also working fine. Now again 2. See, now in this case, I have entered 2. 2 means scissor and computer chose 0. 0 means rock. Rock wins against scissor. Rock wins means it should print like computer is going to win, means you lose, but it is printing you win. Why so? Again same thing. See, one by one it will check these things. So this condition not true. Okay, fine. This condition computer choice is 0 and user choice is 2. Greater than? No, this is not true. So again next condition. Now user choice is, in this case user choice is I have entered 2. 2 greater than, computer chose 0. Is this condition true? Yes. So it will print you win, but actually you lose. So better to put these two conditions before these two conditions. Here. Right? And after that put these two conditions. Now this condition, draw condition, you can put before or after, it doesn't matter, right? Now the order is fine. Let's run this. Now see, if I enter 2, computer chose 1, you win. Okay, fine, that is working fine. If I enter 0, now see, if I enter 0 and 0 means rock, 2 means scissor. Rock wins against scissor, means I will win, means you win, user will win. So now it is working fine, right? Why so? Because first it will check this condition. Is this true? Is equal to? No. Computer choice is 0. Now computer choice is 2. So this is also not working. User choice, third condition, user choice 0. Yes. Computer choice 2. Yes. This condition is true. Now it will enter here. You win. Yeah, you win. Right? So before checking these greater than these conditions, it will check these conditions too. Now, okay, now one thing. Let's run this again and I'll show you. If I have entered 4, still it is working fine. It is telling you you win. But how? Because 4 is not a valid number. So put this condition also. Where you will put this condition? At starting only. After user enter the choice, better at first check if the number is valid or not. So after entering, here only here only put one condition. If this user choice is greater than 2, or you can say greater than equal to 3, or user choice is less than 0, you entered an invalid number and you lose, right? No need to put further thing. If this is the case, simply exit. Otherwise, if this is the case, then this, else we can put this coding in else part, right? Else, after that computer will generate a random number and we will compare. So better to put this code, because in else you have to put indentation. So better to put all the code with an indentation, right? Like this. Otherwise it will give error. Now in else part we will put all thing, right? Now let's run this again. So at this time if I enter 4, see, you entered invalid number, you lose. It will do nothing, that's it. And that's exactly I want. But now if I want that it should show the images of rock, then paper, then scissor, that is also fine, because I have those images. Let me just copy paste this thing. So we have rock, we have paper, for paper this image, and for scissor we have this thing, this image, right? Now I am going to show, okay, if user is choosing 0 means rock, so it will show user chose the image rock, like this. How we are going to show this? See, if user choice is greater than this is the case, then invalid. In else part, simply print. If you print here user choice, this variable, then it will simply print either 0, 1 or 2. But I want images, right? Now let's make a list, and there I am putting these images, rock, paper and scissors. Okay, now we have a list. So in here we can simply access from the list these images according to the user choice. So in bracket simply put user choice. If user choice is 0, means here we will put 0. So game image is 0. 0th index we have rock. So we are going to access this image, right? Rock. These are what you can say strings, rock, paper, scissor. Okay. Now computer chose, here also I want images rather than simply that number. So game images, and in bracket I can simply put computer choice, right? Now let's run this. So if I enter 0, now see the output. 0 means it will print this image rock. Computer chose scissors, random number 2, so it will show like image scissors. Now rock wins against scissor, means you win, right? So I guess you got this, how you can implement this game. See one thing, if you put this line, if you put this line after this, like we have chosen, and after entering the choice directly I want to print whatever the user has chosen, the image of that thing, right? I don't want to print in this else part, right? Okay, this is also not fine. Let me just run this and show you what output you will get here. See, if I enter here 4, it will give you an error. List index out of range. In line number 30 in module, this print game images user choice. List index out of range. Because now my choice is 4. So here my choice is 4, so user choice is 4, it will print 4 here. So game image is 4, but there is no 4th index, 0, 1, 2, only till second index we can access, right? That is why it will give you that error. So rather than printing this here, first check if user choice is invalid, then just print you lose, you have entered invalid number, else you can simply show whatever user has chosen the image, right? Now I guess you got this. If you haven't got this thing, this is very simple, it's fine, just write down this thing on a paper, dry run this thing, again see the rules and all, right? Dry run this, then again implement this. Definitely you will get it. It's not that tough. So I hope you have done this project successfully. Now in the next video we'll see what are tuples in Python. So now we'll see you in the next video. Till then, bye bye. Take care.